Hi everyone, it's Claire. I'm coming to you from my garden today. It's an absolutely lovely day. I am making a memorial keyring. It's very noisy. I live on a dual carriageway. Not ideal for filming. So suddenly we lose our pets, fur baby, whether they're fur, feather or fins. It's just an inevitable part of being a pet owner. And it is very devastating. It is devastating. Mine are like my children. So I'm going to make a memorial keyring. I don't know where I'm looking at. I don't normally film outside, so I'm not quite sure where I should be. I want to look at myself, but then I think it makes me look over that way. I don't know. So I'm making a keyring today in memory of a cat, stainless steel cat keyring, nice and strong. We don't know, it was a rescue cat, so we don't know what the date of birth is, but it passed in August, so we're going to use August crystal birthstone. The initial B. Did you see that? Did you see the butterfly go past? See, to me that's a sign. It's absolutely beautiful. It will be put into a black velvet drawstring pouch. It's not the traffic, it's the planes. Here are birthstone. These are the charms I'm going to be using today. And at the moment, I do sell them in packs of 12, but I'm going to do them individually. We've got 6mm jump rings, the 10mm jump ring at the bottom. All the flowers are out in the garden. I'll show you a couple. I do apologise, you've got the washing line, but it's real. I'm real. So let's make this lovely memorial keyring for a much loved pussycat. Take the keyring. These are quite thick, so I'm actually putting the birthstone, on there. Remember, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I have hundreds of tutorials ideal for the complete jewelry beginner. So I'm tempted to put that one like this. Do something like that. These are 6mm. It isn't actually being used to put keys on. Just going to put on the same one as the heart at the other side. What do you think? So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.